Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do just a wash and go, and I'm going to use some new products that I received from my curl box. So this was a Luster's Pink curl box, and so they sent me their shampoo and conditioner, which I've already used. Let me tell you guys real quick my thoughts on this. So the shampoo is kind of a thick shampoo, but the way it made my hair feel, I did not like it. Also, the conditioner was just, and it wasn't super great. It didn't really help that much with detangling my hair. So both of these products, I'm just going to start off by saying I would not recommend these products because they're not that great. For the Styler Super Moisturizing Curl Definer, I also have their Curls Poppin Gel. So I'm going to use these two today in this video. My hair is already washed and I did deep condition overnight. I'm just using this t-shirt towel just to get some of the excess water out of my hair. So I'm going to go ahead and section my hair off and I'll be right back. So alright guys, so let's go ahead and see how this works on my hair. And I guess I will talk to you guys today. Everybody, pretty much the whole United States. Not sure about all the other countries, but I know as far as the United States goes, Italy, some more places are on straight up lockdown, y'all, which is crazy. I've never seen anything like this in my lifetime. My parents never seen anything like this in their lifetime. So this is all new for all of us, y'all. It's just so crazy how one day everything is okay, next day people are losing their jobs. They don't know what's going on. We're all locked in the house. They're telling us not to go out and talk to anybody. I mean, this is just crazy, y'all. And I've been watching the news. I'll say this, it's not good for you to always watch the news because the news is just like, it's on all the time and everybody's just going like absolutely crazy. They have breaking news, which is Trump. Half the time, I don't even know what he's talking about. Like, it just seems like a competition every time he opens his mouth. It just doesn't even make sense. He's really not giving any new information. It's just weird, y'all. All of this is just weird. And you know something, y'all? This stuff does not mix together. That's so dumb. So they put both of these products in here together and they don't work together. Curl definer does not work with the gel. It says evenly massage the coconut oil leave-in conditioner throughout clean hair until completely absorbed to smooth curl popping defining gel. Okay, first of all, why would you even include the curl defining cream with the gel if they don't work together? See, that's what gets on my nerves. And now I have to rinse this out because it just broke apart. So I guess out of these two, I'll be using the gel. Let's see what it does. But why wouldn't they put the leave-in conditioner in there? See, that's what I'm talking about. Just stuff not even making sense like now. Alright guys, so I try to rinse out most of it underneath my sink. You know something, because I don't really have time for this today. What I'm going to do, if this does not work today, because I just don't feel like it, so I just want like just a normal wash and go with products that will work. So if these products don't define my hair the way I want them to, I'm not even going to bother using these today. Alright, so I'm going to take some gel and just put it throughout my hair and see how it defines my hair. So yeah, so back to what I was saying about the coronavirus and what's been going on. It's really depressing because, you know, all this stuff is happening. It's kind of like everybody knew about it. We just weren't prepared for everything. Alright, so this is curling up nicely. Alright, so the gel works. I guess I can tell you guys what I have been doing during this time. Fortunately, me and my husband, we both can work from home. So he's been waking up every morning around 7 o'clock, getting prepared for the day, and he goes into his office. And I'll put little pictures up so you guys can see his office, which is a blessing to be able to work from home. So I get up around 8 o'clock and then I get ready for my job. I come to my office, which is this room right here that I'm in, and I get on the computer and I start my work. Other people are, you know, pretty much losing their jobs. But right now, it's okay for us. And so our schedule usually goes like this. By the afternoon, around 11 or 12 o'clock, I'll go ahead and fix some lunch. Lately, I've been making sandwiches or something easy to make so we can just eat a sandwich and then just go back to our offices, do our work. So we did that the first week quarantine, and now we're coming on the second week and we're just continuously doing that. We usually will stop working around 5 o'clock. Sometimes 4, sometimes 5. Then we'll watch the news and see what's going on. Then after we watch the news, we'll go to our exercise room and we'll do an hour. Sometimes I will do 30 minutes on the elliptical and he'll do like an hour on the treadmill, and then I'll do my 30 minutes on the bicycle, and then we'll just change it up like that every day. So I think just the thing is just having a schedule that you like that won't keep you going crazy in your house. If you don't have anything to do, you can just do little schedules to make your life easier. So then after that, it's usually like 6, 7 o'clock. We'll like take our showers for the night, and then I'll go ahead and cook some dinner. And after dinner, we'll go to like the movie room. We'll probably watch like a movie or a show on Netflix, or we'll just watch like a regular movie on TV or a series. So that's been cool. We have been watching some good ones. We watched The Tiger King, of course. That's a great show. That show is just so freaking crazy. It just had a bunch of twists and turns in it that are just insane. But it was a really good show. Throughout the day, I'm playing with Kiba, keeping him entertained. He sleeps a lot, so I don't have to worry about him always in my stuff. Unless he wants attention, and then he'll like jump on my desk and start acting up. On Fridays, we have like a little walking park over here. We'll either get on the walking trail, we'll walk, or we'll get on the road bikes and ride around the area. And so that's been cool, just doing that. And of course, there's a few people that's out there. Not a lot of people, but it's a few people. On Wednesdays, I usually clean up the house. So I'll just start like washing clothes and, you know, doing a deep clean, vacuum cleaning, cleaning out the bathrooms, all that stuff. And then I'm trying to get back in the swing of recording these videos for you guys. I'm gonna try to get these videos out. So I'm just like doing random days like right now, because who knows when everything is going to go back to normal, and for you guys to have something to watch, because I know I like watching YouTube videos and I like trying out new products. Y'all see that this stuff is really doing a great job. I would not have guessed that this would work like this, y'all, for real. I was sent a product, some CBD gummies, and they're by the company called On Cali CBD gummies, and these are 500 mg's, 6 per gummy. Thank you to the company for sending me these. They send it right in time. Almost like they knew something was about to go down. So they sent me these right before like lockdown of the United States. And when I tell y'all, I take 2 of those a night and they have been keeping me calm and sane. They mellow me out so well. They make me really calm, which I need something. Like, I worry a lot, and those keeping my sanity in check, like for real. With everything going on, you go to the grocery store, there is like 0 food there. I mean, it's crazy. You know, you don't know. I'm walking around with a mask on. This is a really weird time. And so I've been taking 2 of those gummies a night, y'all. And when I tell you I've been calm and relaxed, and I can sleep like a baby, like all through the night without waking up. And that is like my main issue, is that I wake up in the middle of the night and then my brain starts racing. And when I take those gummies, they make me feel so calm, I can sleep. I'll put a link for everything in the description box so you guys can check them out, because they are so good right now, especially if you are a stressor like me. If you worry a lot, those gummies are great. The CBD gummies from On Cali. And I have never tried CBD products before, So when I tried those, oh my gosh, they're great, especially to relax. I have not even gotten my thyroid test yet. It's just a lot because this just came out of nowhere. The day of my appointment, that's like when everything just went straight down the tube. Like that Monday, my appointment was that Tuesday. They called me and was like, hey, you know, this corona is getting bad. We're going to have to postpone your appointment. And I was like, I knew that was going to happen. And I actually talked to my mom and I was telling her that I might just cancel it because they're talking about this corona is everywhere. And you know, the hospital, that's where I was going to get my testing done at. They were saying like, this is the last place you want it to be. And so I was like, yeah, that's true, because you know, everybody sick goes in the hospital. They go, that's the first place they're going, to the hospital. So it's going to be overran with people trying to get better from this corona. And then once I have it done, it's not like I can have my surgery, you know, anyway. So they were telling everybody on the news, hey, look, if you are having elective surgery, now taking mine's not like an elective surgery because it needs to come out, but I can go without it right now. So that's what I just did. I just was like, yeah, just go ahead and reschedule that, because I'm not going in the hospital right now. I'm already having problems breathing and I don't need to catch anything that's going to, you know, hinder my breathing. I thought that was the best decision to do. So right now it's just up in the air of when I'm going to have it. I have no idea. So it might even be next year. I've been trying to try different new recipes. Can't go out and eat, or I don't trust the food like going out to eat anymore. I don't even want to risk it. Like, I'll just cook the food here before I go and get food from a restaurant, because you just can't trust it. And when you cook it yourself, you know exactly what you're doing. So I've been cooking. I already know how to make bread. Bread is pretty simple to make. It's pretty easy to make. I plan on making some pretzels. And I made pretzels before. They're not that complicated to make either. A lot of this stuff, you think it's going to be like a problem to make it, but it's really not. It's really not that difficult to make bread. The only problem now is getting these ingredients from the supermarket, if you can find like flour, because my store was like straight up out of flour. But they did have bread flour, which is great because you can use that bread flour to make pretzels too. We stocked up pretty good with everything, and it's just the two of us here, and we stocked up with cat food too. So make sure you get your pet food as well. And you can always order some items from Amazon. But you know, like I said, with our Amazon orders, what I'm doing is I'm taking my Amazon order, and if I can leave it in the garage overnight, like I will grab it like with plastic bag, and I'll just pick it up like that with a plastic bag, and I'll just put it in the garage and let it sit in the garage for a few days if it's like a non-perishable item, and it can sit out there, because I ain't touching that right now. I take it out of the box and I throw the box right away, and then after you throw it away, you take the products out of it, and I will usually let that sit for another day. It just depends on how fast I want to use it. You can wipe your stuff down with like the Clorox wipes and all that stuff, but the virus is dead. I think on cardboard they said 24 hours. For plastic they said it takes 3 days for plastic. So be mindful of that, and if you don't need to use it right away, then just let it sit in your garage or an area that you don't frequent that much, and nobody else will mess with it. I mean, they were telling people to leave these packages on your porch overnight, and it's like, no, somebody can just walk up here and take my stuff. So just put it somewhere nobody can bother it. Even, you know, if you want to, you can put it in your backyard, as long as nobody can get to your backyard. If you have some type of fence or nobody can see your backyard, what's back there, then take it to your backyard porch or something like that. Alright guys, so I am done This is my hair, and I'll be back in a few hours to show you guys what the dry results look like. These are obviously the wet results, and this is the back. Let me say this really quick with this poppin' defining gel. Yes, this is definitely curls poppin'. My curls are super defined the way I want them to be, okay? They are looking super juicy, super good. The gel is rather thick. Definitely weighed my hair down more than usual because it's flatter. Alright guys, so I'll be right back to show you guys what my hair looks like. Alright guys, so today is the next day. I just went ahead just to make sure that my hair dried all of the way. And so this is what my hair looks like. Let's talk about this gel. Okay, this gel reminds me of the Aunt Jackie's, I want to say like their grapeseed gel. I think that's what it's called, the Aunt Jackie's grapeseed gel. It's almost, it feels like the same exact gel, you guys. It gives me great definition. My hair is super crunchy. That means for me it's going to last for a long time. So I love the fact that it's super crunchy. It's very light, you guys. My hair is super defined. Like, look at that. My hair is like super defined, which I'm always looking for a defined curl. It feels dry because it's so crunchy, but it doesn't feel like super bad. It doesn't feel like it's doing damage to my hair. It just feels a little dry. It does feel that, but you know, if you want to, you can get some oil and just rake that throughout your hair just to give that softness back to it. But usually in a couple of days the gel cast will break, so usually by day 2 my gel cast break and my hair is back to being like super soft. Highly recommend the Curls Poppin' Defining Gel. Threw me for a loop because I did not think that this was going to work on my hair. But yeah, my curls are definitely popping. I love it. As far as the smoothing conditioner, if you want to, you can try it, but I wouldn't recommend it. It's not the worst conditioner. The moisturizing shampoo left my hair kind of feeling rubbery, so I wouldn't recommend any of these products. And as far as the curl definer, I don't know how this is going to work, so I'm going to have to do another video just to see how this is going to work on like maybe like a braid out or twist out, something like that. And don't forget to check out On Cali, their gummies, you guys. I'll put the website for everything in the description box, so be sure to check them out. They also sent me their CBD lip balm, which you can use this throughout the day. It leaves your lips super moist, and it does have a calming effect. It's not as potent as the gummies, but it does leave you with a calming effect. So I highly recommend both of these products, so be sure to check them out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Let me know what type of videos you guys want to see. I'll try to make them for you. Who knows how long we're going to be on lockdown, you guys. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.